The first stage is high flow cleaning. The second stage is high pressure washing. The fourth stage is cleaning. And then rinsing thoroughly with clean water to make the surface of the box clean without residue.